how are you all doing today? I'm again with my tarot cards and I thought I will do a mini reading for all of you who are watching this video. I was just thinking कि आज किस बारे में मैं आपसे बात करूं, किस बारे में tarot read करूं, what should be the topic. And then suddenly I realized that I got a call from one of my old friends and then she was complaining that अचानक से कुछ हो गया है. The energies are एक दिन बहुत अच्छा रहता है और एक दिन energy बहुत ही low रहती है. So what is it happening? Is this something universe is against me or what it is or how is it and वगैरह वगैरह. So that gave me a thought that actually पिछले कुछ दिनों से ऐसा ही हो रहा है that एक दिन बहुत अच्छा जाता है. One day you are so happy and so good and so bubbly, filled with high vibration energy, and then the next day you are in that sulking zone. You're not happy, you're feeling so tired, so frustrated, so irritated. मतलब you just don't feel like going to the job or you don't feel like getting out of your bed. क्या आपके साथ भी ये सब हो रहा है? Trust me, if all this is happening, don't think that the universe is against you. No, universe is definitely not against us. It is just reacting to the inner state we have. Now, अभी inner state भाई कैसे पता चलेगा? बस ये पूछना, are you in alignment with what you're asking or are you in resistance to what you're asking for? अभी अलाइनमेंट क्या होता है? अलाइनमेंट इज़ व्हेन यू फील एक्सपैंडेड, यू फील दी सेंस ऑफ एक्सपेंशन. आपको बहुत लाइट लगेगा, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. दैट इज़ अलाइनमेंट. एंड रेजिस्टेंस इज़ लाइक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. मतलब एकदम से ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग. दैट इज़ रेजिस्टेंस. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Similarly, the universe just reacts to how your inner state is acting. Okay? तो अगर आप कोई चीज़ को पकड़ के रेजिस्ट कर रहे हो कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए, तो यूनिवर्स आपको वही देगा. As simple as that. अगर आप बोलोगे कि इट्स ओके, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग, लेट इट हैपन, आई एम इन अलाइनमेंट विथ माई सेल्फ, आई एम एट पीस, आई एम फाइन, तो वैसा ही होगा. Now let's see what does the card talk about. पहले तो मैं ये पूछूंगी कि are you in alignment with yourself? उसके लिए मैं एक कार्ड निकालूंगी. Let's see how it is. Now, as I always say, consider this message only if it resonates with you. This is a general reading and the timeless reading. It comes to you, I mean, whenever you see this is what this message is for you. The universe wanted you to see this video and that's the reason it's come in front of you. As simple. Okay, so just keep a note of it and let's see, are you truly in alignment with what you're asking for? The answer is no. You are actually not in alignment. Tower card आया मतलब a strong resistance. इतना resistance कि you want something, you've asked the universe a certain thing and you're not liking the way the universe is delivering it to you. अभी it's not easy like आप कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हो और बोलोगे मुझे पनीर मंचूरियन चाहिए, तो आपके प्लेट में पनीर मंचूरियन आएगा और आप खुशी खुशी खाओगे. किसी को पनीर मंचूरियन के जगह में गोभी मंचूरियन भी आ सकता है. या फिर मैं ऐसे बोलूँ कि द प्रिपरेशन विल बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. चाइनीज़ है वो इंडिया में अडॉप्ट हुआ है, राइट? सो ऑब्वियसली एवरीबडी विल हैव देयर ओन प्रिपरेशन. अभी जैन मंचूरियन विल बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट बिकॉज उसमें ना कांदा, ना अनियंस रहेंगे, ना लहसुन रहेगा, ना गार्लिक रहेगा. वहीं पे अगर आप देखोगे तो नॉर्मल चाइनीज़ मंचूरियन जो होता है उसमें टेस्ट अलग होता है. सो एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन वे ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. लेकिन आपको एक पर्टिकुलर वे ही चाहिए था. अगर वो नहीं मिल रहा है तो यू गो सल्किंग. That's exactly what's happening. You are not in alignment with what you're asking for. You are having too many judgments. You have having too many points of views. आपको बार बार एक particular चीज़ ऐसे ही चाहिए, वैसे ही चाहिए. आप इसी घन चक्कर में गोल 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 घूम रहे हो. That is the reason कोई दिन आपको बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा, कोई दिन आपको बहुत ख़राब मिल रहा है. So what should you do now? What is a way out of it? Let's pull out another card and see what is a way out of it. How can you come out of this energy of being in resistance? What should you do to come out of the resistance? And the answer is Three of Pentacles. Sometimes we need to listen to others, we need to work as a team, we need to be a part of other people. You know, when I say other people, I'm referring to be a team player, be a member who gives you happiness, be that member what you would expect from the other person. Okay, अगर कोई आपके टीम में आता है तो what do you expect? अगर you expect respect, you expect a lot of work from that person, knowledge from that person, and you also got to be the same. You got to mirror so that you get those energies what you're looking for. That's right? I mean, many times we forget. हम हमेशा यही कहते हैं कि मुझे इससे ये चाहिए था, मुझे इससे ये उम्मीद थी, उससे वो उम्मीद थी. भाई आप खुद से क्या उम्मीद रख रहे हो? What is that you expecting from yourself is what you can get from others. It's very clear from the universe. Now, to come out of this resistance energy, you have to be working towards being a group. You have to work as a team. You have to get out of that sulking energy, or maybe spend some quality time with your loved ones. Meet those friends who you haven't met yet, जिससे आपने शायद plans बनाए होंगे और सालों गुजर गए अभी तक मिले नहीं हो. उनसे मुलाकात करो, know what's happening in their life, share your life experiences. Things will start improving, things will start changing. So I think the best thing to do here is go meet your friends, spend out time with your family, and some exchange of knowledge, some exchange of experiences will definitely help you understand that you are not alone suffering here. There are many other people who have their experience to share, who are having a lot more difficulties, or who are and still being very happy in their lives. Know that secret. जब तक आप दूसरों से मिलोगे नहीं, बात नहीं करोगे, हमेशा फ़ोन पे चिपके रहोगे, तो यही होने वाला है. Yesterday when I visited a temple, what I noticed was everybody is busy taking photographs. They're taking selfies and photographs. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप selfies मत लो, आप photographs मत लो. But my question to all those people who go to a temple and take selfies and photographs, is it only for the social media that you had gone there, you want to just give a report, or do you really do something with those photographs of the deities you take? Honestly, I don't think so. You're going to reuse them, or you're going to make them in a wallpaper, or आप कुछ करोगे वैसे. भक्ति वो होता है जो दिल से आता है. Now this is not a judgment, this is just an observation. I feel that we need to stay out of mobile phones for some time. Digital detox is very very important. Please do it. ये मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ. as रास्ते पे लोग जाते रहते हैं, they are busy on the phone, they are driving, they are busy on the phone, they are walking, they are talking to people, they are having dinner, they are watching TV, still they are busy on the phone. Everybody has made phone so significant and so important that they are actually out of alignment. This is another thing. So you're not talking to your friend, you're not talking to your family, you're not talking to your spouse, you're not talking to your children, you're not talking to your parents. Please spend some time with all of them. Let go of these material things and just sit and have a heart conversation, and see how that resistance will drop, and how you'll be in sync with the universe, how you'll be aligned with the universe. So remember one thing, alignment is not being perfect, it's just being in allowance of receiving the energy from the universe, and that's possible only when you become that mirror, where you become that energy to receive that energy you're looking for. अगर आपको खुशी चाहिए तो प्लीज़ खुश रहना सीखो. अगर आप क्रिप करते रहोगे तो आपको यूनिवर्स वही एनर्जी देगी जहाँ पे यू विल फॉल अंडर सम सिचुएशंस, सम सर्कमस्टेंसेस वेयर यू एंड अप cribbing and cribbing and cribbing. But if you are happy all the time and you say, I am in alignment with myself, I am in a great joyful mood, I'm very positive, and I'm in love with my life, then trust me, universe will put you in the situation where you will more and more start falling in love with your life, start falling in love with your own self, and be happy and be in alignment with what you're asking for overall. Okay, now here I have this beautiful deck called the फीमेल आर्कएंजल्स डेक. लेट मी सी इससे हमको क्या मैसेज मिलेगा. दिस इज अ ओरेकल डेक ऑफ कोर्स. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट which angel will pop out to give us what message. Wow, Archangel Uriel, success through action. So this is a message, I would say. Again, Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So be the person, be that person what you want to receive, right? So be the mirror to the universe, and universe will just give you that happiness and the joy and everything. And success is always through the action. Work hard, work smart, without having expectations, and things will get automatically aligned. कर्म करता जा, फल की अपेक्षा मत रख. गीता में तो बहुत पहले बोल चुके हैं यार, तो बस हम फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. प्रवचन देते वक्त बहुत अच्छे से याद आ जाता है, बट खुद के लिए जब होता है तो हम फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. तो माई सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट इज फॉलो इट ऑन योर सेल्फ टू, एंड प्लीज टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. टेक केयर. See you until next video, and if you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and please drop in a comment. Your comments, your support means a lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.